washing machine. When you have homemade washing machine in your house, just try this. You enjoy it. No, don't finish it. Wow. Hey. Now with the person where they get solution for all the problem. If you get any matter for town, oh yeah, drop on my comment section. I get solution for you. You see, as I get solution for my problem now. So tell me, what is the difference between washing machine and this one? Did the water touch my hand? Did I use my hand to wash? No. The answer is no. So see my washing machine here. Go and try this and tell me thank you.